Good day, my name is Daud. I'm from Malaysia. I recently managed to score 90, 90, 89 and 87 for my listening, reading, speaking and writing. Sitting for PTE is not a simple task. Trust me, I sat for it for more than 10 times. You definitely need to have the resources, the expertise, and also the right consultant to guide you with regards to PTE. I have sought for more than 4 consultants, and I have no choice but to actually refer to an overseas consultant, namely Dr. Roman. Dr. Roman's website is very good. He was able to have assessed me with regards to my English capabilities, and also he has other things with regards to his website, such as grammar and vocabulary, which I find it is crucial with regards to anybody who actually sitting for their English test. You definitely need to find somebody as good as Dr. Roman's website in order for you to excel. Other than that, always remember to never give up. Know your goals and what is it that you're actually striving for with regards to your English test. 1 week after I have gotten my results, I have got invited, and then later on, I have already lodged a nomination last week. Please pray for me for my success, and hopefully I'm able to actually migrate to Australia soon. Thank you.